Hi everyone, I'm Evangelista and I'm going to do the opposite hand makeup challenge. So I'm going to create my usual look with my other hand. I usually have this brush that I got from Sephora. It has the brush for the contour and for the blush. I have my NARS Deep Throat. It's very blush, very nice, very natural. Matches every skin tone. Well, I usually just have like 2 brushes in my makeup kit. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer and glow. So okay, let's start first. Guys, sorry, I already have my kilay, but I'll touch that later on. I think I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Good luck! Grabe ah. I didn't remove my eyelid. Before I put my mascara, I'm gonna put my eyeliner. Okay, so I usually bring 2 eyeliners. I have my favorite Tom Ford, which is so nice. And I also have my K palette. I usually have the brown one. If it's brown, it kind of tones it down. But if you want to, like attract someone or get, someone look at you, you use the black one. So I'm gonna try to do my eyeliner. Grabe. Oh! I won't talk first. Music please na lang. Let's do like a karaoke channel first. Keep them busy. Sorry, we know this gets serious. When it's your eyeliner, aminin nyo. I'm gonna put the mascara. I use Maybelline. I usually get my Maybelline in Japan because you know how the Japanese, they like the full lash and they have all the like waterproof, super thick, super length. That's all in Japan. Wow, it's hard, but I'm up for the challenge. Once we're done with the eyes, the rest will be easy. Oh my gosh, lip liner pa pala. No, I won't do the bottom part. I don't usually do the bottom part, especially today. Okay, so Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. This is nice. What I like about it, it doesn't go on the under part. You know how it smears, and because we have like a very humid weather, we don't want anything that smears unless it's nighttime and you want to get that, very smoky eyes. Oh, wow. Yeah, I like this because it really stays, really opens your eyes, especially if you're chinita like me. I'm so proud of myself today. So okay, I usually have like an off-white, anything that's like shimmery. This one is from MAC Rice Paper. Of course, you put it here. What my friends call luha. Opens up your eyes, gives you that fresh look. I also put it here. I use this not just as a highlighter for here, I also use it on my eyes. I also want to embrace me being chinita, so I'm gonna put this on my eyelids. Any concealer, like a lighter shade. I don't know why, I think it's psychological, but whenever I put it on like this area, I feel like my nose looks more matangos. So I put it here. You know how it gets, all the nerve endings are here and it's kind of red? I hate that. So take out the nerve endings and cover it with concealer. Look, kamangos. Oh. And then I'm gonna get a little bit and I put it on the tip of my nose and here. Ang masyado, wag mo excite. So after that, I'm going to use my bronzer. Pag nangalay na pala yung right ko, kaka-Instagram, ito na, ito gamitin yung left. I think it's working out for me, guys. I usually use a stronger powder on my T-zone. It's not because it's oil, it's because my skin's so stretched. I'm just kidding. Youthful, so I just put it there. But I sometimes like that whole shine there kasi nga, stretched. It's 27, just kidding. Okay, so now I'm gonna use, wow, did I do it right? Now I'm gonna use MAC Boldy Bare. I usually trace my lips because as you can see, my lips are so small. I don't get injections because I'm so scared of injections. So I'm going to use this. So I'm gonna outline. Pinuri yung sarili. Galing. Okay, so I love also this hourglass. I think the casing is also pretty, but aside from that, it's not really matte, but it really stays on your lips. It's not super glossy, so it's not the irritating kind. So I'll use this as my base. So there, you could just do that. To seal the deal, I'm going to use this. I got it from Sephora. It's number 5. I don't know if that explains it though. So I'm gonna put it on top. And it stays the whole day. And it gives you that nice shine. It makes you look like your lips are very plumpy. Maybe I'll do a little bit of my eyebrows. Wala nang iitim pa eh. Biglang masyado. My finishing touch, my NARS Deep Throat. What a name. So I'm gonna put it a little bit on my nose. Matches the background. It blends so much. I'm done. Okay, so that was it. I guess, I could do this, yeah. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed my tips on what I like to do, how I like to do it during the day, my eyes, cat's eye. I think it makes such a huge difference when you have your eyeliner on. And it's up to you if you want to like make it a bit longer or make it simple, brown or black, depends. But this is the usual. This is my usual.